back and I'm going to show you how I make my Hasselback baked apples. Okay, so I peeled and cored my apples. I'm just going to leave them just like so. Okay, oh my knife, my knife. There it is. Okay, so you see they're peeled and they're cored out. Okay, I'm going to cut them, but not all the way through. And I'm going to cut them in little tiny slices, as small as I can cut. Okay? That way, when you cut them like this, all that wonderful goodness, see how they're, that one broke off a little bit, but they're apart like that, the slices. All that wonderful goodness will get down into these slices. And it'll permeate every bit of this apple, and they are wonderful. So, these are simple to make, and man are they good. With a little scoop of, a dollop of whipped cream, or a scoop of ice cream with a little drizzle of caramel, you've got a wonderful little baked apple. Now you can always leave the skins on them too. A lot of people do that, doesn't matter. I've done it before myself, but I kind of like it without the skins on. Okay, that one's going there. One more. I know this takes a little bit. This is probably what takes the longest, is slicing them. Okay, we got all those there. Now let's slide this back over to us. Okay, now we got a tablespoon of melted butter. And to that I'm going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay? Let me get my brown sugar here. Okay, there's my tablespoon of brown sugar. I use a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have that, you can certainly use cinnamon, but I like the pumpkin pie spice. I always use it. It just is wonderful. Okay, now see that? We're going to mix that all together real nice. Get all the lumps out of it. So it's all incorporated real well. Okay, now we're just going to start smearing it on these. Okay, all smeared on there real good. Okay, now we're just going to take a little piece of aluminum foil, which I have to get out of my cupboard because I forgot it. We're going to cover it up with aluminum foil, and it is going to bake in the oven 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And when these are done baking in 20 minutes, I'll be back and I'll show you what we do next. I am back. These came out of the oven, and see how the slices just kind of come apart there. I just did a little bit, I just basted a little bit of this juice onto here. Okay, so with that anyway, our next step, you'll see here, I'll tell you what I got for this. I've got a tablespoon of sugar, I got another half teaspoon of pumpkin pie mix, I got a tablespoon of flour, and I've got 3 tablespoons of oats. And in this dish here, I've got 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So I'm just going to put it all in there, because this is going to get all mixed together just like so. And then we're going to put these over these potatoes. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. And once you move it, it'll creep down into those nooks and crannies. See, watch that. See how it does? Beautiful. Okay. Oh. Alright, now it's going to go back in the oven, uncovered for another 10 minutes. And then when it's done, or after 10 minutes, then I'm going to broil it for 2 minutes, and then I'll show you how it looks. There we have it, friends. There is our final product. And I broiled it for 2 minutes, and it's nice and brown on top. It's gorgeous. So when this cools down a little, I'm going to serve up some for my husband and I, and we're going to enjoy a treat. And I hope you give this a try because it is incredibly easy to do and it is delicious. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.